fact, you might even become more hireable by focusing on old dinosaur technologies. Like WordPress and PHP still runs most of the web applications out there. Java runs most of the enterprise world, most databases are SQL-based, and C++ runs most of the low-level systems. However, there are shiny new replacements for tech like this, including Next.js, Kotlin, NoSQL, and Rust. And the lure is a massive feeling of FOMO if you're not mastering the bleeding edge of these so-called superior technologies. To be clear, I'm not discouraging you from learning these, they're awesome, but it's important to understand that most of the real world, where the jobs exist, are not going to change their dinosaur tech stacks anytime soon. The critical banking systems still run on COBOL, and Java will still be powering 3 billion devices long after everybody watching this is dead. Most CTOs are smart enough to know that if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Here's a real-life example. A few years ago, engineers from Twitter released a hot new database called Fauna. It was a pretty solid product, and I even made a video about it, but the technology was proprietary, VC funded, and like most startups, the business failed recently. They have no choice but to shut down their servers, and if you were an early adopter, you're now screwed, and would have been much better off with a boring SQL database. Adopting tech too early is one thing, but adhering to programming dogma can waste even more time.